In intelligence, intelligence is the key construct employed to know how individuals differ from one to another. Okay? So, according to the Oxford Dictionary, it explains that the individual has the intelligence, explains as the power of perceiving, learning, understanding, and knowing. Okay, the individual's ability to learn, to perceive, to understand, and to know certain things is what intelligence is, according to Oxford Dictionary over here. Hmm? So, early intelligence theories also use these attributes in defining intelligence. So, Alfred Binet, underline. Alfred Binet was one of the first psychologists who worked on intelligence. Alfred Binet. He defined intelligence as the ability to judge well, underline, highlight it, judge well, understand well, and reason well. Okay. Welschler, again, highlighted. Welschler, whose intelligence tests are most widely used, understood intelligence in terms of its functionality. That is, its value for adaptation from the environment. Is the person adapting to the environment? Is the person intelligent enough to adapt to whatever situation that they are in? Okay, as we discussed before, the person's ability to adapt to the environment. Okay, that is what intelligence is about. Okay, now we're done. Alfred Binet, Oxford Dictionary, and Weschler. Remember that. Okay, so he defined intelligence as a global and aggregate capacity of an individual to think rationally, act purposefully, and deal effectively. Okay, this is again what Weschler has defined. We have discussed that Weschler understood what understood about intelligence, right? And his IQ testing has been done, has been widely popular. Now, what do we have to do is he has defined the global and aggregate capacity of an individual. Hmm? Uh, so sorry once again. Yes. So how has he defined a global and aggregate capacity of an individual to think rationally, act purposefully, okay, and to deal with the situations effectively, okay, with his or her environment? This is the main definition of intelligence. So in here we have done about 3 definitions of intelligence. First is by Oxford Dictionary, where it explains intelligence is the power of perceiving, learning, understanding, and knowing. Then we have Alfred Binet. He was the first psychologist who worked on intelligence. He defined intelligence as the ability to judge well, to understand well, okay, and reason well. So judge well, understand well, reason well. All right. And then we have Weschler, whose intelligence tests have been widely popularized. And he has defined the ability or the global and aggregate capacity of an individual to think rationally, to act purposefully, and to deal effectively with his or her environment. Done? I hope that all of you have understood these 3 definitions of intelligence. Sorry. Other psychologists as Gardner and Sternberg, please highlight, have suggested that an intelligent individual only adapts to the environment, but also actively modifies it and shapes it. So if you know that, so if you remember that earlier we had done that whatever resources that the person has, an intelligent person has, they will modify things according to them, right? So this is what an intelligent person does. They not only adapts to the environment, but they also modifies it and shapes it effectively and however they want to, or uh, however it is usable for the people that is around them also. All right, so there are about four intelligence definitions that we have covered here. All right. In theories of intelligence, we have been doing in the next class. We will do in the next class.